these two new telephoto lenses allows the Huawei P40 Pro to zoom up to 100 times. What is up, you guys, and welcome back again to UnGeek, and today we have another tech unboxing care of our friends from Huawei. What I'm holding here is the Huawei P40 Pro Plus, an update to one of the strongest flagship we've seen this year, the Huawei P40 Pro. But before we go on to the unboxing and check the P40 Pro Plus, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so because we're making more and more videos for you guys. In fact, we're currently running a giveaway to celebrate our 10,000 subscriber mark. If you're interested with that, I'm going to put the link to the promo mechanic at the description box down below, so do check that out. And with that out of the way, let's go on with the unboxing. Huawei officially launched the P40 Pro Plus last June 27, 2020, and now we have a unit here for us to check. Currently, the device is on pre-order in their partner online stores such as Shopee and Lazada, and you can check that out yourselves right now. But if you're still sitting on the fence with that, then this video is for you as we get to take a look at the Huawei P40 Pro Plus right now. Similar to the Huawei P40 Pro, the P40 Pro Plus also comes in the Huawei signature white box. And right here down below, you can see the Huawei App Gallery logo printed here at the box. This means that the Huawei P40 Pro Plus, along with all the other Huawei devices that came out this year, does not come with the Google services. But don't fret though, because as we have been talking about in this channel, you can still use your Huawei devices and get most of the apps running on it. In fact, the Huawei App Gallery is the third most largest app gallery in the world right now. And Huawei has been actively filling the app gallery and getting partnerships so that you can get your apps on the app gallery itself without the need to go to a third-party vendor. However, if you do want to go that route, that's fine as well. Now, if you're interested to learn on how to download your favorite apps on the Huawei App Gallery, we have a handy-dandy guide for you. I'm going to put the link to that video here or down in the description box so you can check it out yourselves. And after much rambling, here we go. Bam! So as you can see, the phone is here, but before we check the phone, let's see what else is inside. And, oh, no instruction guides and no jelly case. So I'm guessing this is an engineering unit or this is a foreign unit. Obviously, for Philippine market, you will get a jelly case and of course your instruction and your warranty card as well. Of course, you have your charging block. Again, the charging block is not representative of what you will be getting when you get the retail version. USB Type-C and a Type-C earphones as well. So let's prop this baby open. What we have here is the, this, ladies and gents, is the Huawei P40 Pro Plus in ceramic white. Build quality wise, the Huawei P40 Pro Plus is no different from the Huawei P40 Pro. Both uses the same curved glass back finish, but the only main difference would be how big the camera sensors are. The Huawei P40 Pro Plus is slightly bigger, and that's because it houses one more additional camera. The Huawei P40 Pro Plus utilizes a penta camera setup for its rear camera. For the screen, the Huawei P40 Pro Plus also comes with a 6.58-inch AMOLED quad overflow display. This opens up the screen more, and of course you're greeted with the pill-shaped in-display camera sensor. Now aesthetically, at least on the ceramic white variant, the trimmings on the side and the bezel has this nice chrome finish. Here, you'll be greeted with the volume rocker and the power button, and down towards the rear, you have the USB Type-C and of course your tray for your SIM card. As far as internals are concerned, the Huawei P40 Pro Plus and the P40 Pro are pretty similar. Both are running on industry-leading Kirin 990 5G chipsets, both utilizing 8 gigs of RAM, and the only difference would be the capacity or the ROM. For the Huawei P40 Pro Plus, the lowest variant that it offers is 256 gigs of internal memory, and then it goes up to 512 gigs. I'm using right now an 8 gigs RAM and 512 gigs of internal memory setup for my Huawei P40 Pro Plus. This one, on the other hand, is just 256. So you get 50% more storage on the Huawei P40 Pro Plus. And you might need this because you'd want to take more photos with the Huawei P40 Pro Plus because of its additional camera. Now let's focus on the selling point of the Huawei P40 Pro Plus, its additional camera. Much like the Huawei P40 Pro, the Huawei P40 Pro Plus also has a 50 megapixel ultra vision camera, a 40 megapixel super sensing cine camera, and here's where it becomes interesting. Instead of a 12 megapixel periscope camera, the Huawei P40 Pro Plus has an 8 megapixel super zoom camera and then another 8 megapixel of telephoto camera. Now this super zoom camera has a 10 times optical zoom capacity twice than that of the P40 Pro. Of course, both have a 3D time of flight for really rich bokeh, but these two new telephoto lenses allows the Huawei P40 Pro to zoom up to 100 times. Now, we've tested actually the 50 times zoom from the Huawei P40 Pro, and we can actually say that they can actually deliver detailed photos despite of the long distance. For the 100 times photo, we would like to see if they can actually do that. Now, reportedly, all of the major lenses from the Huawei P40 Pro have optical image stabilization. This should give you very steady, very crisp photos. As for videos, well, it does have the 40 megapixel super sensing cine camera, so I'd like to see how that actually integrates with your 100 times zoom. Of course, we're probably never going to use 100 times zoom on video, but at least you can do 10 times optical zoom. That, I think, is a game changer. Now, as far as front camera is concerned, nothing really has changed. You still have 32 megapixels and a depth sensor, so you can take really beautiful, really rich selfies. Now, everything inside is pretty much the same. You know, the OS is still the same. It still runs on Android 10. You still have 4,200 milliampere hours battery, but here is where it becomes a little bit different. Sure, it still has 40 watts Huawei supercharging capacity, but unlike the Huawei P40 Pro, wherein if you decide to utilize its wireless charging, it will only cap to 27 watt super fast charging. For the Huawei P40 Pro Plus, you can get 40 watts of super fast charging even on wireless mode. And that's it for this really quick unboxing of the Huawei P40 Pro Plus. If you're interested with this, they're currently running a pre-order promo until July 10th. They're giving away a bunch of freebies, so if I were you, if you're interested in this, better take advantage of that. And that's it, guys. If you've stuck until this point, maraming salamat po. My name is Colin, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Guys, please keep safe, keep healthy, and as always, keep on gaming.